Hello everyone, lovers of analytical math. Today we have been given a simultaneous equation to solve. We have a simultaneous equation if two equations are given and we are to solve simultaneously. So we've been asked to find the pair of x and y. So from this equation, let us proceed and see the solution to this equation. The given equation says x squared minus y squared equals to 1. So let me call this one equation 1, Roman figure 1. And the second given equation says x squared plus xy equals to 2. Let's call this one equation 2. So from equation 1, equation Roman figure 1. So this one can be written, this right hand side is difference of two squares, so it can be written in this form. So x minus y multiplied by x plus y, so equals to 1. So let me name this one equation Roman figure 3. This is difference of two squares expanded in this form. So let us look at this equation 2 and see how we can also write this one. So I can factor out x from this, so that from equation 2, let me name this is Roman figure 2. From equation Roman figure 2, so this can be written as x into bracket x plus y equals to 2. So I factor out the common factor, which is x, from the equation. So then let's name this one equation Roman figure 4. So from 3 and 4, so I can divide both sides. I can divide equation 3 by equation 4. So divide equation Roman figure 3 by equation Roman figure 4. Equation Roman figure 4. So that we have x minus y, close bracket, x plus y equals to 1. Divided by, I'm dividing it by this, x into bracket x plus y divided by 2. So that this one will go with this. So if this one goes with this, I'm left with x minus y equals to 1 divided by x equals to 2. So this is what I'm having. So this is two fractions, so I can cross multiply to have a linear equation. So if I multiply this one by this, I'm having 2x minus 2y equals to x multiplied by this, that is x. So I can collect the like times, bring this one to this side and take this one to the other side, so that I'm having 2x minus x equals to 2y. So I'm having x equals to 2y. So now this is what I'm having. This is equation Roman figure. Let me call this one Roman figure 5. So I've gotten value of x to be equals to 2y. So x also depends on y. So in order for us to now find our y, so we can now substitute this equation into any of the above equation in order to find the value of x. Now let's go back. I wanted to use the equation 1. I wanted to substitute the value of x here into this equation 1, which is x squared minus y squared equals to 1. So wherever I see x, I'll put 2y, right? So substitute Roman figure 5 into equation 1. And this is equation 1. It says x squared minus y squared equals to 1. So wherever I see x, I put 2y. So I'm having 2y square minus y square equals to 1. So let's expand this. Open the bracket. That is 4y square minus y square equals to 1. So from here, we are good to go from here. Let's simplify. That is 3y square equals to 1. So dividing both sides by 3, I'm having y squared equals to 1 all over 3. So taking the square root of both sides, I'm having this will go with this. I'm having y equals to square root of 1 is still 1. That is 1 all over square root of 3. So I can rationalize this and express it in the standard form. So by multiplying both sides by root of 3. So in order to have this y in a standard form. So we don't want to see this one at the denominator. So let's take it up by rationalizing and multiplying by this. So y will now be equals to, if I multiply this one by this, is going to be square root of 3. Then if I multiply this one by this, it's going to be 3 times 3, right? So which is going to be square root of 3 divided by 3. So this is the value of y. Therefore, y is equals to square root of 3 divided by 3. This is the value of y. You can see our y has been expressed in form of values. So, but you know that the value of square root is going to be positive or negative. So all this should be in positive or a negative sign. So positive or negative sign. So now from here we can now proceed and calculate and find the value of x from this. The value of y is this. I can just proceed and substitute the value. Let me name this one equation 6. Equation 6 on my figure 6. So now let's proceed and find the value of this x. So let me go up like this. So let me go up like this. So putting Roman figures 6 in equation Roman figure 5. So then we now have, this is Roman figure 5, x minus 2y. Sorry, x is equals to 2y. So but our y is given as this value. Our y is given as this value. So then I will just substitute my y to be equals to 2 into bracket plus or minus square root of 3 divided by 3. So this is what we have. Then let's simplify. X is equals to pushing this, that is going to be 2 all over 3 plus or minus 2 all over 3 square root of 3. So these are also the values of x. For the value of y, we have two values, plus and minus. We also have plus and minus. So, but the question says we should calculate. This is what the question says. We should find the pair of x and y, the values for the pair of x and y. So in finding this, so we are going to have this x, y. So this is what we wanted to find, but we have two values for each of this x and y. So let me say the x1 and y1. So the first value, let me take the positive aspect of it first, so that my x, I'm having plus square root of the x is going to be 2 all over 3 square root of 3, right? So for y, I'm going to have the positive side as well. That's going to be square root of 3 all over 3. So this is one of the pair. So the second pair, let me say x2, y2. So it's going to be, then I will take the negative aspect of it. So which is going to be 2 all over 3 minus 2 all over 3 square root of 3. Then for the y, so take the negative side of it, which is going to be minus square root of 3 all over that is 3. So these are the pairs these are the values of x and y. What we have, the value of what? X and y. And it can also be written, and this part we don't want to split them, can also be written as, just say, plus or minus 2 all over 3 square root of 3, and plus or minus 2 plus or minus for the value of y, that's going to be square root of 3 all over 3. So it can be written like this, or it can be split like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.